make a filled font in Photoshop. I've started with this pattern that I made in Canva and then edited further in Photoshop, which I can do another video on creating those patterns with colors with how you'd like. So the first thing you're going to do is use your font tool and type whatever you're going to write. So I've accepted that with the check mark at the top. Then I'm going to use my move tool and I'm going to increase the size until it's as big as I want it. And I'm going to make it fairly large because I want quite a bit of this pattern to be visible. So I have that. I'm going to adjust where my words are because I know where I want these to line up. And then I'm going to accept that the size is good. Next thing I'm going to do is click Layer, Layer Style, and Stroke because I want to outline my letters. Now these are already preset for me based on my last ones I did. It's a 21-inch size and it's on the outside and it's a black outline. Works perfect for what I want to do. You want to change that, you can just drag your slider bar, make it thicker, you know, make it thinner. I like the 21 for this because it's not too big, it's not too in your face, and you can change it to any color that you want. So now that I have that done, I'm going to take my layer and I want to convert it to a smart object so I can no longer edit it as a text. I cannot type in there anymore. And now, because I want to be able to erase the inside of it, I'm going to rasterize. So I click on Layer, Rasterize, Smart Object. So now that that's done, we're still highlighted on our layer here with our text. I'm going to click the magic wand and I'm going to click the white of the letter. And then I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to click the white in all parts of the letters. And after they've been selected, making sure I am on my layer for the text, click Delete so I can erase that. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm leaving that completely selected. I'm going to come up here to Select and I'm going to click Inverse because now I want to save everything that's inside the letters. So I have it inversed. It's still selected. You can see all the little blinking around your letters. And then I'm going to click the layer that has my print. And then I'm going to click Delete. So I have saved, and then you can click Deselect. So I have filled my font. And you can merge it down by clicking this and merge your layer down if you want to keep them there. But when you go to export this out as a PNG, it's not going to be layered. It's all going to be flat. It's going to be great for printing. But something else that you can do is you can zoom in, use your magic wand again, make sure you're on your text layer, and you can highlight the black, and you can delete it. All aspects of that black layer. And now if you had already merged this down, you wouldn't be able to do that because you would actually lose the black lines that are connected to anything that is black. So all of these outlines of the hearts and the daisies that interacted with your stroke outline, I like keeping them separate because I might want to change the color later. It's not a big deal. But so you can have outlined letters or not. Just like that. You click Deselect and you can see it completely without it. You want to put it back in, just Control Z, or click up here to edit and click Undo. And that is all it takes to make a filled font image.